Hello guys, welcome to Data Hacks. In this video, I am going to explain about Immer in Redux. Here, first of all, I am going to close the terminal and create a new file, nested.js. So here, what I am going to do is previously we have simple initial state. Now I am going to use the nested initial state and I am going to update the values. First, import the redux require redux. Next, I am going to create an action creator. For that, I need to create a constant variable hotel, and the hotel name is Bhavan. Next, I am going to create a action creator variable order arrow function. Here we are going to return an object, and the first value we are going to use here is type. For type, I am going to provide the variable which we have here, hotel. Next, payload, I am going to get the payload as a dynamic. So name, I am going to provide the name. Next, I am going to create the reducers here, constant reducer arrow function, and first you have to get the initial state. For initial state, I am going to create another variable menu. Here hotel Bhavan. So here also we have given a name as a hotel, so we can change here orders. So here hotel name is Bhavan. Next, menus, this is going to be a nested object. First of all, starter, vada. Second dish is rice, mini lunch. Last one is bread varieties, chapati. So here we have an initial state menu. So let's get the state and use this menu here. And action, we need to get the action. Scroll down. Here I'm going to use switch case. Switch action dot type case, and then here I'm going to copy the variable which I have created here and provide here. Next, return, here we are going to return the values in an object. First we need to update the state as a copy state. Next, we are going to provide the menu. menu, provide the nested object. Here we are going to update the menu state dot menu, and particularly we want to update the bread. So I'm going to provide bread action dot payload. So the value will be updated by using the action payload. Next, I'm going to create a value called store redux dot create store. Here I'm going to provide the reducer. Next, I'm going to listen for the event. So redux dot subscribe and provide arrow function console dot log updated value, and here I'm going to provide the store dot get state. So here is the updated value. Here we have to change to store. Before that, I'm going to console the initial values also. Initial value store dot get state. Next, I'm going to create a action and trigger the action creator with this store dot dispatch and action creator. So here we have the action creator order and the name of this order is going to be paratha. Next, we can check the values by using debug. So here we are getting issue. The issue is action. So here we have capital and small. That's the issue. Change to capital A. And we have another issue. Here we have given menus. Change to menu. Now you can run the terminal and debug again. Now if you see here, we have the initial value is undefined. This is because we didn't throw the default value. So in case if no case is matching, we have to provide default and return state. Now you can run the test again. So here you can see both values are returning. Next, I can't see the values. For that I'm going to provide the key value, so it will display the values. Dot menu debug again. So here you can see previous value is chapati, current value is paratha. So this is how the complex nested values has been updated here. To reduce the work, we are going to use one package here, npm I Immer. Now it has been installed. Close the terminal. import the immer constant immer require immer dot produce. Next, I'm going to reducer format. I'm going to console the return value and provide new return immer and provide the first value as a state. Next, one arrow function. Here you have to pass the value, so I'm going to provide values value value dot menu dot bread action dot payload. Now we can check again. Here, open the terminal, debug console, debug. So here we have given value, so we have to change to val. Run again. You can see again the value has been changed properly. So this is how the Immer package is used in Redux. We can update the values easily in the way we normally create in a normal reducer by taking a copy and updating the value. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe the YouTube channel. You will get the updates regularly on time.